extremely cheesy Korean-style chicken tapos napaka-spicy. That is a winning combo for me. At hindi ito yung usual na Korean-style fried chicken ha, grilled chicken to. So we can think of it as a Korean-style chicken inasal in different flavors. So samahan niyo ako today at babalikan natin ang Hulala Korean chicken and iced beer. Located to sa may Friendship Highway, halos katapat ng Army, Navy and Starbucks na malapit sa Korean town. Open sila daily from 12 noon up until 4:30 a.m. Sa Korea, sikat daw na food chain to at ngayon dinala nila dito sa atin. At magmula nung unang beses na nagpunta kami dito, palaging bukang bibig ni mama na gusto niya raw balikan yan, so eto na at pagbibigyan na natin. At kapag kakain dito, hindi pwedeng hindi natin orderin yung chamsa cheese. May option ka ng mild, spicy, and extra spicy. Syempre dun tayo sa extra spicy. Kita nyo yung dami ng cheese na yan with that familiar kick of Korean spices? Ito yung anghang na anghang ka na pero ayaw mong tigilan kasi ang sarap. Bago sa menu nila itong kimchi udong at pagdating sa mga chewy noodles na ganyan, ang pinakamahilig syempre si mama na naman. Nako, parang siya yata yung pinaka nag-i-enjoy sa mga order natin ha. So eto, sige, hanap naman tayo yung paborito ni Papa na chicken feet. And yung version nila dito is very tasty, although of course, napaka-spicy na naman. First time namin o-orderin sa kanila itong chamsut garlic and girl, nakaka-addict. It's super garlicky and buttery with a hint of sweetness from the onions. Tapos pinaris namin dun sa garlic rice nila, match made from heaven guys. Make sure orderin nyo to. Ito naman yung chamsut soy barbecue. It's lightly smoky and savory. And by the way, available to in whole and half orders at etong sa amin, half order yan. Meron din tayo nitong sausage and vegetables. Sakto lang naman to, it's more of a snack, nothing too different, pero girl, etong kanilang chicken sisig ang sarap. As in, napawaw kami dyan at naubos namin itong isang order na to in less than 5 minutes. Another flavor na ngayon lang namin o-orderin sa kanila ay yung chamsut flame barbecue. Ito raw yung pinaka-spicy sa lahat ng flavors. Sa unang kagat, hindi mo pa naman masyadong mafe-feel eh. Sabi ko parang okay, ang sarap, pero hindi sobrang spicy. Pero yun pala, just after a few minutes, pagpapawisan ka na. Lastly, meron din tayo ng fried chicken nila. Isa itong whole order na dalawang magkaibang flavors. Yung kalahati ay seasoned spicy and the other half is honey soy sauce. Pagdating sa Korean chicken, isa to sa mga underrated pero masarap. At sana matry nyo rin sila soon.